craziest thing.
What is man? One minute too happy with the too nice. What did happens? But listen, it's all in the cock up on the caca clot, alright? You see if the ants if you come on my grave and chew me alive, the ants now come tell me. What me I tell you the ants that come tell me, say Queenie. Queenie, don't beat them no mind, Queenie. Queenie, you're not going to not yet. Queenie, don't make them none of you can break me. No, you can't break me. God himself. And God not break me. God a build me. You hear that? And it's me. Alright. Do you love my butt? Cut 2 quarters and say 2 little sizes. I never must have a stress or problem. Life goes on. Yeah, back to the conscious reason why I want to do this live now this morning. A lot of people taking this thing for a roller coaster joyride for themselves. For one, you could have talked till that kingdom come and the man married. So, you could have deal. You see me when you come to another I mean in the wife. Me get the name. So you say all when I write a talk, I send message, a threat and all. Remember, who God put to bed that nobody can take apart. So not even me, nor the husband, if we're not for their part, you cannot stop it. You see me? I have faith. You see me, my life challenge. I have I wish one of them drop out. The lip ring. Okay. Every minute that is for me, I drop out. I have faith. If any have faith, I can't stand losing. Like me, the way my wedding, hey, at 3 times I wear, at 2 times I married, you know. 3 days straight, I keep wedding, you know. I married at Elstra, the next day I got sent to my to the reception, and this Sunday, the Monday I get up and put on back my wedding dress. And ride on a bike, go look for my brother. Now tell me, I have that beautiful wedding. Yeah? No, when I reminisce about all of them, I say, hey, my husband proper love one another, you know? They think I joke, man. That's why you just never know. You never know who I got, because somebody did tell me that all 6 months ago. But I said, no, sir, me for better or for worse. For better or for worse, who pay for your wedding? Who pay for the wedding, Queenie? What kind of question that? Queenie, mind your mother out. Mind you, mother out. Because you have something that mad you out and you can't talk about it. Mind you, mother out. You know, it's more crazy about mind me, mother out. Then, you just say crazy that I'm mad. You look like me can't mad out you. Mad out as in speech, but not mad out as in mad. Me too positive and upright for that. For that. You know much man other one married to me, I don't want married to nobody more than the one Mr. Scarlett who married to me. And him I want married to. So on the sit on there. She paid, now on a pay for it. And the phone of is that? Oh, Jesus Christ. Nice, sweet little having a boom. Listen, so my marriage done quick. Bomb buckle. I don't think it done. God know, but who knows? No expectation, no disappointment. Should we just live and be love and not say, me treat my husband good, I'm still there defend him. I don't want to worry anymore over the internet, I swear. It's a get out of hand, get out of hand, get out of hand. And you're feeling that you're going to do your mouth dirty, me know you're going to turn back. And me know depend on something there. Because you're going to go on. No, sir. So you see, you know with that, Jack, don't pass on a place on my page. Be very careful of what you like say. Be very careful of what you say, same God. And if I sit down and talk, and have some man all beside on the neighbor all certain. You have none of them problems. Everybody have them own problem. So leave me with my problem, man. My problem cannot be your problem, Truth. Man are calculated like we, A man are expressive. Some man will have you stringing as a woman and make you wonder, panda say, I never hear now. Wait, let me show how people dangerous are undermine. When you ask somebody for do something, you say to them, say you kiss them ass. Or me I beg you, which other term them have them use? Me lick out. So me I cuss now me say me lick out do it. That reason now. Me lick out your body. Does that mean I lick slime out of palm? Me will ask for the where reason, man. A man in devotion, everything come freestyle. So I say, lick out. I do. What does that mean? Do I literally lick? No, me ask you now, if you don't hear me, I say that. What are you thinking on yourself? Me ask you now. For right type and tell me. You hear me, Queen, say, but to make it sort out. What you thinking of yourself? Say, it's literally take my tongue and lick out the that don't make no sense. So anybody will say yes, that means to say, we're not some negative, stupid people. Alright, let's show that next reason how negative is and reason, wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. So me lick out the slime talk, but yet still a him them I go kill. Him can't go back to Jamaica, him them a threaten. Does that make any sense? I hate stupid people. Queenie lick out her husband. I don't need to forget to a woman like me. We can focus, save on the money, get to a liar, pay for the liar, and do what I do and get out of the car on a dumb no blood, on a dark, on a illiterate, on a thief, on a conniving, on a set of shit. Jamaica. I can't stand on them. I feel love on them because I don't them a band, but it's the way on a chopping a one way than chat. On a sit down over, sit down and wait for me for sending a £50 open fridge phone or buy chicken phone or buy black. But his friend has come to the test on the same that take plain it chat shit. Yeah, some man school plus one here is, don't get me wrong, But if when you live a foreign, your mind straight from them the corner stuff. How in God's name? When I go see me and I go send message say me like slime something out of me say me never see nothing about me say it, hear me now? Bumbo clot. Because them say when you take Mali, you don't remember nothing. I want them to take blood. Why is it true me know I'm awful and strong and terrible? And then I play a mind game for me. No game and then I play. And I can't play a mind game for idiot. What kind of... And then the next thing when I go back and tell my husband again, say, it's my husband, you have back to me one day or the other, you could have talked to guy kid and come say, oh, them are right just say, how come I got picture me as an opportunity so me I come back? You will come back, Cause the way I treat you good and nice. How me they authenticate for my husband and talk good and I go say. Me and my husband live good. And me and my husband go everywhere. If me at the bath, 2 men him there. I don't care about that. And him take that. You know much things for me be myself. But I saw the youth and try to manipulate my husband. Up to him if he want to take it. And what he said just said. It's a figure of speech. Thank you, my dear. You know, them say me now come on the internet come talk about my husband and I do a witness song. But you see, earth lingers. You see, burn. You put your hand on the stove and you go, bow, it burn, you know. But by the time you take off your hand, it cool off. That's burn when something burn you. You see, hurt? It can rip you apart. Because you can't feel sorry for yourself. You can't feel like saying a word. You feel like nobody not care about you. You see me? Them, the can blood. You know what can come at the other side. For see, hello, stick a woolly pop in, put away where all everybody say, it's still boil back down to me here. I say just that. When me say, oh, una run just against me. I run just, una find what job? Una find location? Una find house? Una find enemy for the queen. Just to stand up beside me because I make a man slide on a silver suitcase. I am my own person. Nobody can tell me whether I'm going to take back the way or take back the way not. I don't know nobody place. I don't know who better from who not better. I don't kiss my more for them. I don't respond to no one say no one turn against me or not. Nobody tell me who I take back. Because if me a lie that, I could lie that no. If me a go on this and give me a quick, I may tell them no fun to do what me no want to do. Likewise, me cannot force him to do what he want to do. So you know what? Out of ban and boundary, he make his decision and I make mine. Not for no to come tell me if you do no move or no do at all. My friend have a man 2 years older than her, and the man can't even watch him back. He's back to the reason now. Because of that beautiful silver suitcase on the set at the airport, everybody have a say to say no. Me becomes a witch, me evil now, me abusive, me aggressive, me controlling, all sorts.